Alright, well, we're out of line. Well, back to the car we go. This heavy current's going to be too much for what I want to do here in a minute. Because I didn't bring no sinkers, really. I could use jig heads, but I've never really had much luck with jig heads with bread. So that's what we're going to be using. We're going to use a number 6 hook. 06 Aberdeen hook. That's what we're going to use. Let me show you here in a minute once we get some shade on my face. All right, we got a number 6 Aberdeen hook, 3 clinch knot on there. We got a little piece of bread, so put that in my pocket. We can make several bread balls here. It ain't gonna take a very big one. So we're after bait fish, like little minnows. There's some sitting right here. Some of them are bluegills. Some of them are sunfish. I always just pinch it on there. Try to leave the hook tip exposed a little bit. They will try to steal it off there anyway. But since they're just sitting right there, we'll see if we can get one in the... if we can even throw it out there. But we got her out there. Look how many's down there. A bunch of them. We'll wait till that line goes tight. Now we just took it from them. All right. We want the line to go tight, so then we know to start reeling. They ain't biting on it. What's darn wrong with them? They're going after it. Watching that line. Nope. The sun keeps getting in my eyes, guys. There. I don't know if you can see the fish or not, but they're out there. They're going crazy for it. I had one almost take it. There we go, right there. They're going crazy. There we go, I had one. Let's see if someone grabs it up there. Got one. There we go. Little shiner. Shiners like this bread more than most fish in the creek. All right, first shiner of the day. Even keep it cool in here and put one in there and lock that up. It ain't gonna go nowhere. So. There we go. First one on bread. The perfect time to throw it at. But we didn't bring it. Come on, baby. What I'll do is pull on this line when the line gets tight. See if we get one. Got him. Oh yeah. Get him in here real quick before he gets off. That's a bigger one. Little shiner. Little creek shiner. Heck yeah. See if I don't drop him. We'll bird get him in the thing before I drop him. Throw him in there. About dropped him. We don't want to drop him. I'm not seeing. Oh, there we go. Got a bunch of them that time. Come over there. Get smart on me and just stealing my bait. There's one. There's one. Oh yeah, that's a bigger one there. Got like the last one. I'm talking about some smallie candy, some largemouth bass, some catfish candy right there. Put her in there. Heck yeah. I think the hook tip should be exposed a little bit. It's got to be pinched on there pretty good too. They just bite it right off. Alright, we didn't get it very far. I see one taking it. I won't see my line going out yet. We'll slowly pull on it. Yeah, I think he took it under a snag or something. I'm not sure what he did. I don't know how this happened. We had her tangled up. No weight on there makes it a little more difficult. If I was going to use a weight, it'd be a small BB probably. That way you keep your line tighter. Better to know you got a bite. Especially in, I can tell here by clear water, but fairly clear water. And watching my line go. Problem is my current pulls the line that way. We got one. Got one. Yep, there he is. Seems like their shiners are biting. We'll use these for catfish bait, possibly bass bait. So stay tuned. The fish got to eat wheat. If I got to eat wheat, there it goes. All right. Oh, oh, oh. Sometimes they pull it off the hook easy. All I'm doing is pulling on the line when they, I think we got one. Get over in the sun. Smaller one's over there. I think he just stole it. Oh, got him. Got him. That's a pretty nice one too. Smaller one had it. That big guy ended up getting it. Heck yeah. Let's see what we got in here. There goes another one. They've got 3 or 4, man. They need a bigger bucket of water, but that's going to work for now. Watch my line, watch my line. No, no big amounts of fish in there like there was over here. That could mean there's bigger fish too. There we go, way over there. There's some bigger fish over. Oh, that's a bite. It's a bite or a heck of a drift. Got one. Reel it in. Oh, green sun. A little long ear, a little long ear. Ooh, look how bright that dude is. He swallowed it. Swallowed it, buddy. All right, we can get it out of you. Shake it a couple times and bend it. You're probably dead, but we'll use you for bait. Unfortunately, you're not going back in the water. Pretty bloody. We may not show that on camera, but that's what happens sometimes when you don't use a sinker. But hey, we got a different species over there. The only problem was I didn't set the hook, and I'm not used to setting hook, but you really got to with bigger fish because they will swallow it. So as soon as you notice the line moving out, like it is right there, that's probably a smaller fish. We're almost knee deep right here. Let's see if we can get her over there again. There we go. There we go. Watch it drop. Slowly drops through the water. Got I seen a bite? Did I see a bite? Yeah, I did. Oh yeah, what we got here? Holy crap, what we got? Heck yeah, guys. Oh, look at that jump. Looky there. Smallmouth on a piece of bread. Heck yeah. What do you think of that? What a beauty. Little beauty. We're just after bait fish, and there we catch a little smallie. on a piece of bread. Let's let you go, buddy. See you later. Oh man, he splashed the hell out of me.